Do you want to know how you can log into your Unicorn Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Unicorn Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and search for Unicorn Payroll Login. And then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page which is the login portals. You can see that there are 4 different portals: your icon manager services, icon employee self-service, on-premise software, it's HR 360 resource library. So you can see that these are different login sites. If you go ahead and click on it, you can log into your account using your customer ID or your employee ID. So most of them contains your customer ID and password. You must have signed up for these services, and then you can write it down over here, write your password and click login. These all are the same for each individual site, so you can go ahead and log into your Unicorn Payroll account. And there is another option called employee self-service, so you can go ahead and click on it, and you can see that this is another self-service employees one. So this is mostly for the employee account, so you can go ahead and write down your customer ID, your user ID, your password and click login and log into your employee self-service account on your Unicorn Payroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.